They said they would bring us closer. But the more connected we got, the more we disconnected from each other. We stopped talking, stopped looking, stopped being present. The symptoms show up when the phone's not there. Anxiety, restlessness, irritation, emptiness. So we pick it up again, not to feel good, just to feel something. The silence isn't the enemy. It's the way back. Back to stillness. Back to people. Back to you. The laugh you never reached for. The hug you never gave back. The girl who looked, but you weren't looking. These moments you don't get twice. Unplug and reconnect with life.